Welcome back. Today we are going to go up on the mountain. A couple years ago in my first winter up here on the mountain, we built this log hauler. And it's an articulating log hauler that should be able to get pull some logs down off the mountain. Now, today I'm going to use all my tools that I have. I'm going to take my excavator up there first, and then I'm going to bring this log hauler up there, and then I'm going to load the log hauler with my excavator. Now I'm probably going to cut these logs about 10 feet so they're not sticking too far out, and I've got to make some turns up there on the mountain. And basically that's what I designed this for, was to get up on the mountain and be able to bring some of those trees down. Now I'm developing a piece of property up there, and I had to remove about 3 trees yesterday, trying to widen out the building pad. And yeah, so today we're going to go up and get them, and I'll show you the process of using the log hauler and the excavator. And yeah, let's go get started. First thing I got to do is drive this excavator up the hill, and it's quite a ways up there actually. This actually, the video doesn't really give this justice, but this is a steep grade right here going up the hill. And yeah, it's this is real-time speed, and the first tree is going to be a little difficult because the position, it's on the side of the actual trail, and I don't have, the side is steep right there, so I have no way to like back the excavator up on the bank. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the log hauler up here with the TOOLCAT, and then I'm going to back it up next to this road. And the idea is that you can see how steep that is right there. Actually, the TOOLCAT has a little trouble at the very top, but it did make it okay. Now right here is where I had to turn this thing around and then back this up. That way I could cut the logs and then basically just bring them down the trail and load them onto this TOOLCAT. So this first tree was a little difficult to do. Right here I'm filling up my Husqvarna 445. I've got a brand new blade on it. Now I don't run regular chainsaw oil. I use vegetable oil, and it seems to work pretty good. That's about the only good use for vegetable oil in my opinion. But anyway, it's cheaper, and it's a little better for the environment if it does leak on the ground or something. Now you can see how steep that TOOLCAT is right there, and the log hauler is not quite level, but it's from my trail going across the mountain right here, turning down where the TOOLCAT is, it gets pretty steep right there going down there. So this first tree, the easiest way I could figure out how to load this was just to put the TOOLCAT sideways here and then bring the excavator back and forth from the tree. You really want to be careful when you're working by yourself up on the mountains. Right here you can see I'm cutting this log right here, and I wasn't paying attention, and you always want it's going to drop down and roll, and it hit me right in the leg. Okay, so unloading it, the easy way would be to bring the excavator down here and grab them and unload them. But on this log hauler, I put a crane so that when I'm doing a long journey with it and I still need to keep the excavator up there to finish off what I'm doing, I can unload it with this crane. And I'll demonstrate that right now. I'm actually going to start the motor up on the TOOLCAT because I've got power coming from the TOOLCAT to the crane. Let me demonstrate. I've also got this grappler right here, which I'm going to put on the end. Yeah, let me show you how it works. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this episode of Outlaw Woodworking and the articulating log hauler demonstration. And yeah, please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.